Today on the Scran line, we are going to answer that age-old question of if Millionaire Shortbread is going to make you rich, and if it's only for rich people. The answer for both is no. This delicious caramel shortbread is a flavour balancing act and I'm all about it. They start with a deliciously easy to make shortbread base, 1 minute caramel layer, and they're topped with chocolate ganache and a generous sprinkling of sea salt flakes. Those sea salt flakes on top help break through the sweetness of the caramel and they make it simply addictive. Let's begin with that perfectly crumbly biscuit base. It's really easy to make. Add some butter, sugar and vanilla extract to a large mixing bowl. I'm going to be using some electric hand mixers today, just one actually, to beat this until it's pale and fluffy, about 3 minutes. And guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe because I upload 2 dessert videos every single week. Hit the bell icon so that you're notified as soon as there's a new video. Once those ingredients are done and they're mixed, add your all-purpose flour and some salt. Mix that until it forms a dough paste consistency. Then add the rest of the flour. We added only half to begin with. Add the rest, switching over to a spatula now, and we're going to mix this until it forms a dough. I've got a 13 by 9 inch cake tin and I'm going to spray it and line it with some baking paper. Then we're going to add that dough in there and just get it evenly spread out as you can, and then using very clean hands we're going to pat it firmly to the bottom of the baking tin. Once you've done that, this is going to go in the oven on 150 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or until it's perfectly golden. Let's move on to that 1 minute caramel layer. We're cheating a little bit today and we're gonna begin this off by using caramel chews. I found these at my local supermarket and unfortunately the ones that I have access to are individually wrapped. So it took me about 20 minutes and a really good podcast to listen to get these all unwrapped. That's the only way I have patience for tedious tasks like that these days. A really good podcast. Add those into your saucepan along with some cream. Use a wooden spoon to mix that until everything is melted together and then the mixture starts to bubble. Once it bubbles, you know these two ingredients are really well combined together. Oh, you can see my face in the reflection of the stove. Anyway, once you've got these mixed together, you're actually going to pour it on top of the cooled shortbread mixture. Spread it around evenly, and this is going to go in the fridge to chill while we make our chocolate ganache layer. This is really easy. Add some chocolate, cream, microwave it until it's smooth. Then you're going to pour that on top of the chilled caramel layer. You want to make sure that caramel layer is really chilled, so like 30 minutes in the fridge should do it. Spread that around as neatly as you can before you sprinkle it with sea salt flakes. I do it generously because I love the flavour. I love how it breaks through the sweetness of the caramel. You can skip it if you want, but I highly recommend you add it because it makes these even tastier. This is going to go back in the fridge to chill for about an hour. Once it's chilled, I actually left mine in there overnight. We're going to slice it up. I would recommend, if you want to get those really clean, defined layers, then you need to wipe down your knife each time you cut. Again, it's going to make the process longer, but you get those nice, clean, defined layers, and it just makes these even more cute to look at. If you want to grab the recipe, it's on my website, thescranline.com. A link for that is in the box below. I have more videos up on screen if you're watching on YouTube that you can click on right now. Thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen wherever you're watching from, and I'll see you all on the next episode of The Scran Line.